Hey guys, it's me, Hope again. My phone video. Sorry about the back noise. That's my Gio's favorite song. I'm in my living room. Like, maybe like always, I don't know. Okay, it's almost done again. Nope, it stopped. I'm worrying about it because this is my second one. That's my cousin Vanessa. We saw her in the other video. She's always passing. Okay, I'm getting worried about this. Because no